Gary Vaynerchuk is known for his expertise in storytelling, particularly in the context of business and marketing. He often emphasizes the importance of using storytelling as a way to engage and connect with audiences. While I couldn't find a specific script from his YouTube channel, here are a few key principles and tips that Gary Vaynerchuk commonly shares about storytelling. Understand your audience. To create compelling stories, it's crucial to know who you're speaking to and what resonates with them. Tailor your story to fit the interests, needs, and values of your target audience. Be authentic. Gary Vaynerchuk stresses the importance of being genuine and true to yourself in your storytelling. Authenticity helps to build trust and foster meaningful connections with your audience. Show, don't tell. Use visual elements, anecdotes, and examples to bring your story to life. Capture your audience's attention by painting vivid pictures and engaging their senses. Tap into emotion. Emotional storytelling is powerful. Create stories that evoke emotions such as joy, empathy, or inspiration. Emotional connections can make your story more memorable and impactful. Communicate a clear message. Clearly articulate the core message or takeaway that you want your audience to remember. A concise and focused message helps to ensure that your story is impactful and easily understood. Use multiple channels. Take advantage of various platforms and formats to share your story. Whether it's through video, blog posts, social media, or public speaking, adapt your storytelling to different mediums to reach a wider audience. Be practical about your money. Understand the financial aspects of your business and make practical decisions regarding your expenses and investments. Realize that building a business is a huge time commitment. Recognize that starting and growing a successful business takes significant time and effort. Be prepared to dedicate yourself to the process. Hold yourself to your word, maintain integrity and follow through on your commitments. Building trust with customers and partners is vital for long-term success. Always think about how to get your audience's attention. When it comes to marketing, focus on capturing and maintaining your audience's attention. Find creative ways to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Make every penny work like a dollar. Maximize the effectiveness of your marketing budget by optimizing your spending. Look for cost-effective strategies that deliver a high return on investment. Hold nothing back. Be open and transparent in your branding and marketing efforts. Authenticity can help build trust and loyalty with your audience. Turn struggles into strengths. Embrace challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth. Learn from your experiences and use them to build resilience and improve your business. Start with trust. Establish trust with your customers, partners, and stakeholders. Trust forms the foundation of successful relationships and can lead to long-term business success. These tips provide a glimpse into Gary Vaynerchuk's business philosophy. To gain more insights and a deeper understanding, I recommend exploring his YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.